it's Cornelia Hinch. It's dated May 29th, 1999. It says, if you'll read the highlighted portion, it says, this is an email from you to her, correct?
Yes.
It says, you won't believe how committed I am to make OxyContin a huge success. It is almost that I dedicated my life to it. After the initial launch phase, I will have to catch up with my private life again. Did I read that correctly?
You did.
When you say you dedicated your life to it and that you have no time for your private life, what were your day-to-day activities with respect to OxyContin?
Well, may I read the whole document? I haven't seen this for 16 years.
Have you read your deposition in the Endo litigation?
No. In preparation for this?
Yes.
No. The context of this was to encourage Dr. Hench, who was the head of the Australian business and was meeting with great success with MS Contin, to pay perhaps more attention than I thought she was paying to the prospects or potential for OxyContin. And so this was in the spirit of motivating her. It was true that I was very gladdened to see that OxyContin was meeting with such a strong positive reception by both physicians and patients. And I was working hard at the business, but if you would misinterpret this if you thought that I was working only on OxyContin. That was not the case.
Okay. When you say you were encouraged by the number of physicians that were selling it,
prescribing it,
you were not aware at this time, were you, or were you aware that your company was committing a felony in how they were marketing and branding the drug?
I object to the form of the question.
I was not aware at all of what you're saying. And when I say I was heartened by physicians' reception, when I did speak to physicians at meetings, I didn't go on sales calls, but at some meetings and conferences, they were extremely enthusiastic